Hello and welcome to Blender. In today's tutorial what we're going to do is use an easy way to make a flower, and one I don't think I've actually shown people how to do in the past, so I'm just going to show you something new. So what I'm going to do is add in a mesh, and the mesh we're going to add in is a cylinder, and if this is closed you can open this, and all you've got to do, if you want 5 petals then you actually change it to 10, 6 petals is 12, and so on and so on going up the ways. So 10 petals will reduce that down. What I can do now is actually go into edit mode by pressing the tab key, go onto face select this bottom face, and what we can do is actually scale this by pressing the S key. You can use the manipulators if you actually prefer to use them, but I'm just going to do it by pressing the S key to scale. Then G, which is the go key, and Z sends it up. So that means I've just moved that in the actual upwards direction and just made this actual cone shape. So G and Z like that. Making sure you're still on face select, we can select the top face and we can just delete this by deleting faces. Then what we need to do is actually go onto line select by going up here, and we can actually press the shift key down and select alternate lines until we've got them all selected, and then simply right click, and what we're going to do is this thing called edge split. Hit edge split, then all we need to do is add a bit of colour to this, which I'm going to do now, which I've just created here, which is just a yellow colour, and we're going to make this into a simple buttercup. You can add a graphics texture to this to actually make a proper buttercup flower, but what we're going to do is we're making this simply. So what I'm going to do is hit the spanner or the wrench, add a modifier, and the modifier I'm going to add is a subdivision surface modifier, and voila, there you have it. You've got a buttercup shape. What we can do now is we can actually quickly increase the actual level of the subdivision modifier to make this smoother, but of course this increases the geometry, so I'm just going to take this to the minimum that I think works, which is 2, and then just apply this. So press the tab key to come out of edit mode and then apply it. So we've quickly and easily made ourselves a buttercup. If you enjoyed this tutorial, then please join me next time when we create another tutorial. Shade auto smooth, just actually finish it off, and if we actually look at the topology of this, as you can see it's got perfect topology. Everything has got 4 faces because it makes really good topology flowers. Thank you for joining me on Blender TC, and if you liked this tutorial please subscribe to my channel, and of course press that like button. Bye for now.